two candidates will be getting the Darling of the Press Award. So kindly take a last look to our candidates and cast your votes. Who is the most deserving to get the Darling of the Press? So at this point, officially welcome our candidates and conduct the official session. Please welcome on stage the National Director of the Mr. Universe Philippines, Direct Karen Blanco, and joining him are CEO of Marigold Philippines, Ms. Miriam Tangkalan Bayaka, and Ms. Jeneline Banyas from Events Placement. Okay, I think we can now open the floor to our friends from the media to ask your questions. Can we have the mic? Meron po tayo.
Good afternoon. I'm Jalotas from Pageant Nobles. Well, congratulations sa newly fresh nating mga candidates. My question is for Sean Maxwell of Kalumpit, Bulacan, and Raven of Angeles City. Hello. Ayan. So, one question lang for both of you. Bilang youngest candidates ng competition na to, kasi I know you are just 30. Ano siguro ang lesson na natutunan nyo sa buhay nyo as teenagers na dadalhin nyo dito sa Mr. Universe Philippines 2026? Sean.
Yung lesson po siguro na may dadala ko sa this upcoming pageant po, which is yung confidence po na nag-build up ko along the years, and kung paano ko po na pursue yung pagiging model ko. Kasi nung kid pa po ako, hindi ko po talaga na magiging model po talaga ako, hindi ko po expect. And while building my confidence po, dun ko po talaga na learn lahat yun. Yun po yung dadalhin ko.
Good afternoon.
Yung question ko is, what's one lesson from your teenage life or your whole life na dadalhin mo dito sa Mr. Universe Philippines?
Dadalhin mo dito sa pageant. Magiging ko lang as loob ko po. Kasi dati ko pong pangarap ko dati mo nag-build ako. Tapos naglakas po ako ng loob na smile.
Thank you!
Hi, good afternoon. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'd like to ask